All right, so recapping what we just accomplished in the last video, we set up the two uh, tag setting nodes. This one sets a human tag. This one sets an automated tag. Let me just clean this up. Set automated tag. We have this temporary node, which we're actually done with now. We don't need this anymore, so we're going to go ahead and delete that since we have our two tags and they're not really going to change anytime soon. And just to kind of show you this one more time, we can just run this workflow and it's going to get the message, run it through the AI, and then it's going to set those tags up. And that worked successfully. So if you actually look at the email, what did we actually do? So now we have this automated tag, and this one's human. So each email got classified as either automated or human. That's great. And I'm kind of looking through these, and these do look pretty good. And then we also have these two labels on the side here. And if I click on human, I can see, yep, all of these are actually humans. Let's click on automated. Yeah, so this actually worked pretty good. So now I have the important emails right here and stuff that maybe I want to look at or do a quick skim through is in this other folder. So mission accomplished, but we do have a couple more things that we want to do. Right now, this is only executing when I click this little button. So we actually want this to start running, I'd say once a minute or once every 30 seconds, something like that. So what we're actually going to do is schedule trigger. And so what this is going to do is just how often do you want this to happen? And I want this to happen, say, once a minute. So I want this to happen once a minute. Okay. So what we're actually going to do is just link that right into here. And now we have, it will either happen when we click execute workflow, or it'll start happening automatically once a minute. So what you're going to do is you're going to clean up the rest of your tags here. You're going to get rid of the temporary node that we had, and then you're going to add a schedule trigger and link that into the front of your node. All right, now it's your turn.